Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a black screen in CapCut. Let's jump in. Launch the CapCut desktop app or web version. On the home page, click New Project or Open Your Project. Once you're in the editing studio, click the Import button to upload your images or video clips. After importing, just drag and drop your media onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you want to insert a black screen between clips, you might notice they snap together automatically. That's because of the main track magnet feature. To fix that, go to the top right corner and turn off main track magnet. This allows to freely move clips apart, creating a gap in between. That gap will automatically play as a black screen when previewed. Use the playback controls to check how the black screen looks in action. Want it longer or shorter? Just drag the clips left or right to adjust the length of the black screen pause. Alternatively method, if turning off the magnet doesn't work for you, no worries. Here is another option. Move the second clip down to another track in the timeline. Shift it to the right to create space. This will also create a black screen in the gap. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.